crochet it. Now this is where you're going to chain wrap around the chain itself, so it's used like a prop or a tool or whatever. Here's an example of a chain wrap. Now I'm using a hat that I made, my turban that I made, and I'm using a separate color of yarn for demonstration purposes only. I'm just using this hat also as demonstration purposes only. Now to pull this, I just take some cut yarn. To start, I use cut yarn. I like to make it long and just insert it through the first single crochet to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now to half double crochet it. Now this is where you're going to chain wrap around the chain itself, so it's used like a prop or a tool or whatever. It's used as a foundation. So half double crochet around it, and then you will 5 times single crochet it. So wrap around it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And just push a little bit where I worked. And I'm going to do the same thing in single crochet 1 in the next single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Once again, the chain is used as a foundation to wrap your stitches around. So on the tip, half double crochet 1, that'll be the tip. And then for the next 5, I'm going to wrap it around the chain. Each single crochet will be lower than the previous one. So wrap it around. I wrapped it around the chain. 1, you can see it here. 2, going very slow, yarn over like you normally do. 3, wait, that's 4, 5. I'm going to do this many times to make sure you see it. So each time you repeat between in the single crochet 1 in the next single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Whoops, here, let's do this again. That didn't go too well. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Okay, make sure it stays wrapped around the end of the foundation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, it's starting to look like little fingers. I'm going to keep doing this quite a few times till you get the hang of it. Might take a few practice. Might need to practice a few times, but you'll get it. Just make sure you get a grip on your top. So when you half double crochet on the top, and I like to do a half double crochet on the top because I just like the way it gives emphasis. The top, it just makes the tip, think of it as a finger. Your fingertip looks slightly rounder than the bottom part of your finger, of the extended part of the finger, so it's slightly bigger on the tip or wider around the tip, and on the lower part of the finger it's slightly narrower. I like to think of it that way. 3, 4, and 5. And once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier, and you've probably never seen something like this before. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Just give it a slight tug to make sure to ensure your bottom is tight. And go ahead and complete what I just did all around, and you'll start to see this is what it looks like. I'd rather spend